Good morning, guys. Today I am flying solo with my mum. Well, not really flying solo. My mum is over there. We are going to Spotlight today, but also we're going to IKEA as well. And oh yeah, and Bunnings as well. We're just gonna look at Bunnings, get some ideas for the backyard because we are redoing it, I guess. Putting some veggie patches down, setting up the hydroponics again, and doing some more surprises there. So we'll have a look at there. But in the meantime, we'll be going to Spotlight, and I am going to get some wool and some crocheting hooks. Mum is also going to get a few things. Yeah, so I'm super excited for that. And then for IKEA, we're going to go get a few more things as well for some plants and yeah, just some plants, I guess. So make sure you stay tuned. You can have a look at us wandering around. Yeah, that's all I want to say. Enjoy. You see my favorite place in the whole entire world. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I love Spotlight. So we're in Spotlight and I just found something that I need. Not one, I need it. Right here. It's one of those little things that like a shopping cart and you like drag it along behind you. It's pink and it's glitter as well. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Wait, there's one right here. Yeah. Here it is. I think I should get it. It's so cute. What do you think? I think it's a good idea. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm in wool heaven. There's so many. I'm going to pick out 3 colors and I'll get back to you. Oh my god. So cool here. I want the softest wool there could ever be. I would update you on our yarn situation. So I could not decide for the life of me what colors I wanted. I finally decided with Mum's help what colors I want and I love them. They were very, very cheap. I wanted to go cheap for my first like, what's it called? Like project because I don't want to mess it up. And if I do, it doesn't matter. So I decided on these wool. I'll pick them up and show you the colors. Just so beautiful. It's so nice. I'll show you the pattern when I get home and start. I'm so excited to start. They're so, so beautiful. Yeah, so now we're just going to wander around and look at some more things. I'll update you if I buy anything more, but that's all I've got for now. And I got a crochet hook. I'm super excited. Yeah. Guess where I made it to? IKEA. Oh my goodness. I love IKEA so much. It's my favorite place ever. Ever, ever, ever. Yeah, as well as Spotlight. So I'm super excited to go in there and lay on all the beds. That's a must. And also, I don't know what else. We'll see. Nanny, I found your kitchen. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful and I love it as well. I approve, Nan. Oh my goodness. It's so pink and it's so cute. Oh my god, I like that. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Hey, everything's pink and it's beautiful. Hashtag best wife. Yeah. That's so cute. Have the best day. That's so cute. We're gonna go to my bed. Wait, this isn't my bed. Wait a second, this isn't my room, but I like it. That's better. That's my room. These ones are so cute. So cute. Pointy. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. We made it through IKEA. Oh my gosh. It's my favorite thing ever, ever, ever. We did get a few things. Mum got me a pot for my plant, and then she got a little plant and something to do like the cutlery with as well. Sort it out. Yeah, so that's about all we got. I'll show you.
Our tiny
little haul. This is a bit shameful. 3 things. That's about it. Yum! Oh my goodness. So we got some food and it looks delicious. I'm super excited. I miss having IKEA food. So we're going to dig in and then we're going to head to Bunnings. This is where we're going. Garden centre. Oh, that's so cute. We have this one, lemon, lime, or mandarin, or a little apple. Oh, there's so much water here. Oh, a beautiful little apple. Always the same. We're in the garden section. Yay. Which ones? Kalamata. Mum, can we grow olives actually? Yum. We're just choosing which one we want. Wow, that's so cute. These ones already have olives. That's so cute. That's so cute. We don't know what we're going to get, but I'm super excited anyway. They have a banana plant. I really want a banana plant. That would be adorable. Hey guys! So we're in Bunnings at the moment. We got decided on a lime tree. We decided on a lime tree. We got a 77-litre pot and 4 baskets of, what is it called, compost, I guess? Yeah, so we're excited to plant this one. Oh my goodness, it's gotten so hot outside, guys. So we just finished in Bunnings. We got lots and lots of things. Actually, not lots of things. We got soil. Actually, I think I already updated you. Yeah. Mum got a few of her things that she needed. And now we're going to head home and plant the citrus tree. Yay! So let's go. Hey guys, so today I am here with my Papa Ruby. Hey, say hey. Say hey. That way. That way. Sit. That way. That's Rubes. Can you see her? Good girl. Okay, that's Ruby, and we are going to plant our delicious lime tree. Mum is in the background saying it's a lime, so I always call it a lemon tree. But it's a lime tree. We're going to plant it and put it in this planter box just here. I'm super excited, so I'll probably do a time lapse or something like that and show you guys of me planting. I'm a seasoned gardener, so obviously I'll do it correctly. This smells horrible. Yeah, more.
Woo. Yeah.
They need the water up there.
But they need hydration.
Yeah, but if they get it through the roof.
Yeah, no, they sometimes get it through there. And that's how you plant a orange tree / lime tree.
Ruby's drinking it.
It's eating the dirt. Ruby, stop.
Ruby, stop it. Jump back.
You can't eat that.
Yeah.
You can't eat that. That's disgusting.
You should plant like little things like around the sides
She
to make it colourful and nice.
Oh yeah. That's so cute. That's such a good idea. Ew, it smells like poop. Hey guys, so I just noticed that I didn't end the vlog, this vlog here, so I'm just going to end it now. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I think that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Yeah, thanks guys.